Senti.
Ti adoro.
Oh, anche io ti adoro. Tu mi adori? Anche tu? Okay, are we okay now? Can we eat now? Oh, that was fun setting up for this, right?
Ti sei dimenticato di quello.
L'acqua? Per Lele? Aspetta Lele, aspetta Diego. This one, the same. Right? So this is certified Angus beef.
Lui si chiama Diego e io mi chiamo Lele.
Yeah, his name is Lele and his name is Diego. Wow! You introduce yourself every time, right?
Papà.
And my papa. And they're eating pasta tagliatelle with Parmesan cheese and olive oil. So, can you eat okay? Oh man. Diego, dai, man. No, non toccare quello lì. Dai. It is very fun, you know, when I'm taking care of these kids, we have a lot of fun. All the best, you're showing off, you know, all the best from the inside. Anyway, this is my, you know, my 6th day. I don't even remember, maybe the number 6 on my diet, my truffle diet, proving that it burns fat or not. Yeah, and we have to talk with hands like this, right? Anyway, and so this is, I have asparagus and meat. Anyway, bicchiere, wine glasses, but with sparkling water, strawberries. And so what you do is just cook the meat. Okay, I kind of overcook it because I was taking care of running around juggling with all these creatures. So I just got distracted a little bit. But anyway, it is good, it's delicious, I bet. And I'm just going to, you know, you don't see what I'm doing. Put this here. And I'm shaving some truffles into my dish here. And as always, I'm going to take a picture of this. Look at that. I love doing the chili oil. I'm going to put in this side this time. I'm not going to drizzle on top of it. I'm just going to put in this corner here, and that's it. I'm going to take it from there. Anyway, let's take this picture. Wow, these guys are showing off the best that they have. So let's try this, okay. Finally. Mamma mia!
Mamma mia, badulletelle!
Buono. Anyway, it's delicious. You know, it's a really good meat. You know, the earthy of the truffle. I got the spicy of the chili oil. Asparagus are the only food that you can grab out of your plate, out of your dish, with your hands. I grab many things out of my dish with my hands, but I thought it was very interesting that they mentioned that. Anyway, this is kind of like earthy a little bit. So is the truffle, and the truffle is combining really well with the meat. I just love this oil. I mean, it's so amazing. I cannot eat too much of that because the diet, but still, it's so good.
Mamma mia!
Mamma mia! It is kind of hard to talk to with these two little creatures here.
Papà, voglio mangiare quello.
This?
Sì. Alla truffle, quale ti chiama?
Asparagus.
No.
Buono, eh?
E a me non mi piace.
Pensa a te, mangia uno e vediamo. Anyway, it is.
Mamma mia!
Mamma mia, buonissimo! Anyway, this is my meal for today. You know, asparagus